In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign signing link not working. If someone can't open their DocuSign link or keeps getting an error, these quick checks will usually solve it. Start by opening the envelope in DocuSign and confirming its status. The link only works when the envelope is in sent status. If it shows completed, voided, or expired, the link won't open a signing session. In those cases, you'll need to send a new envelope rather than troubleshooting the old link. Next, verify that the signing email went to the correct address. Even a small typo will cause the link to fail because DocuSign ties the link to the exact recipient email. If you spot an error, correct the recipient details and send it again. Remind the signer not to forward the link to someone else, since it's locked to their address. If everything looks right, resend the signing email. Open the envelope and click Resend to generate a fresh message and a new link. Ask the signer to check their inbox, spam, and promotions folders, and to wait a minute or two for delivery. You can also copy the direct signing URL from the envelope details and share it securely. This still honors DocuSign's recipient controls, but it can bypass email filtering issues. Share it privately and avoid posting it anywhere public. By the way, if you need quick access, there's a link to the official DocuSign website at the top of the description. If you're on mobile, you'll also find the download links there for the app. Check whether there's a signing order. If routing is enabled, only the current signer can open the link. Future signers will see an error until it's their turn. Adjust the order if needed or confirm the right person is next in line. Have the recipient try a desktop browser. Some mobile browsers block cookies or pop-ups that DocuSign needs. If they're already on desktop, ask them to switch to Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and to temporarily disable strict privacy extensions. Using a private window can sometimes block required cookies, so a regular window is best. If the link still won't load, consider network restrictions. Corporate firewalls, VPNs, or secure gateways might block DocuSign. Ask the signer to try a different network, like home Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot, and to turn off VPNs. If none of that works, void the envelope and create a new one. Reattach the documents, double-check the recipient details, and send it again. That's how to fix a DocuSign signing link not working. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and check the top of the description for the DocuSign link. Thanks for watching.